If you're looking to mount your TV, if it's a 47-inch all the way to 84-inch and you want to mount it on the wall, USX Mount has you covered. This thing is awesome. The manual is super easy to understand, of course. We're going to be installing it, and you'll see this in just a few seconds. We're going to install it on concrete. So, of course, whether it's studs or concrete, you can do the work, and they provide you with all of the hardware that you need. Hardware you need to install the actual mount to the wall, but also hardware that you need to install the VESA plate, because this is also a VESA compatible plate for VESA compatible televisions, which is, you know, very universal, and most TVs can do that. The really nice thing with this mounting bracket is that it is super solid. I mean, incredibly solid. It will be able to swivel out, so your TV is going to be able to swivel and also tilt, which is really cool because our TV is a little bit on the higher side, and we do have it on a tilt because when you're sitting down, you don't want to be at a weird angle, and this will provide all the best angles, of course. So swivel, you can bring it off the wall as well, but as you can see, it is also a very slim format, so you can bring it as close as you can with this bracket to the wall as well to make it really flush, which is awesome. But I use it all the time where I might be somewhere at a weird angle. Maybe I'm outside and I want to be able to watch the TV. I'll actually move it out completely. And it looks like it's in a precarious position, but it's not, because this thing is super awesome and very, very sturdy. And speaking of sturdy, it also does have locking mechanisms, meaning once you are tilted at the right angle, swiveled at the right angle, you're able to lock these in place so it doesn't move anymore, which is also super, super cool. And they even give you, and that's just a little extra, these little straps to make sure that all your cabling, everything is neat behind the TV. And as you can see in the video, we have a TV that is as flush as possible, but we have the versatility of being able, or the option to being able to swivel it about as much as we want. And this thing is so awesome. Love the fact that you can install it on concrete, but make sure that you find those studs to install these, because they can hold up really, really big TVs up to 84 inches.